Hello guys, and welcome to our YouTube channel. Do you wonder how to fake live video on Snapchat? Snapchat is a great and popular way to share your lives. The app makes it easy to keep track of your friends' lives, see memories from the past, and even share your locations with anyone you want. Of course, if you've been feeling like you're missing the outside world, faking a live video in Snapchat might be something you're interested in. Snapchat has always allowed you to add previously recorded images or videos to your story easily. However, the text "from camera roll" will appear above the story when it's posted, making it obvious that the video wasn't recorded in real time. Luckily, there are easy methods to update the time of your photo and video so that it shows the present time and date as a live snap taken with your Snapchat camera. Let's get started. Fake live video on Snapchat via OVF Editor. Firstly, open App Store if you're using iPhone or Play Store on Android, and then download the OVF Editor. Once you have done, open OVF Editor and tap on Photo or Video and select the photo or the video you want. Then the page will jump back directly to your Snapchat interface, and all you need to do is send the video to your story. Finally, open your stories and your Snap state will also read like a video you just recorded instead of an older one. You can easily fake live video on Snapchat just like this. Do you have your better method to fake live video on Snapchat? Let us know and leave a comment below. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our YouTube channel to learn the latest tips and tricks for video editing every week. See you next time!